Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to discuss about the concept related to a problem which was asked in IIT JEE 2007. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now if you read the question, it is asking that the reagent or the set of reagents for the following conversion is or are. What do you have to do? There is a 1,2-dihalo compound and you have to ultimately convert into alkyne, triple bond. So what we are going to use here, right? So first of all, when during this whole process of elimination, means basically what we have to do, basically we have to remove the bromine here, and hydrogen from here, and hydrogen from here, so that we can develop a triple bond. Now let us understand what are the challenges that we are going to face. Number one is, suppose we are having this Br and hydrogen, and let us consider hydrogen in opposite direction, and then I am trying to remove this. So first process, removal of H and Br means dehydrohalogenation. So by which method I can go? So if you are taking alcoholic KOH and if you are taking aqueous KOH, there is difference. Look at this molecule is 1 degree, isn't it? And 1 degree alkali halide, if the powerful base is not there, it prefers SN2 reaction. For example, if I am taking OH minus in aqueous medium, then this OH minus is not that powerful as if the OH minus is taken in alcoholic medium. Now if you want to understand this, what I am saying here, that alcoholic KOH is more basic than aqueous KOH. Why is it like that? See, the difference which is there between these two solvent is the R group. Alcoholic means some R group will be there and then there will be OH bond. Whereas aqueous means we are having smaller group HOH. Now obviously if we will talk about the negative ion, that means OH ion, will be more and more nicely will be surrounded, and it will be surrounded by more and more molecule. So if it will be surrounded by more and more molecule, then the power of negative ion, that will decrease. The power of negative ion will be less, just because of so many water molecule is going to surround it. Whereas in case of ROH, because of this bulkier group of R, one hydrogen is removed by R group, this solvation is not very good. And if it is not solvated nicely, so its negative ion is not very much compensated. It is the negative ion is not neutralized by so many proton over here. So the ROH, because of poor solvation of negative ion in this solvent, the OH minus will be more basic, it will be more hungry for H plus ion. So that is why alcoholic KOH, when you are taking, it prefers elimination, whereas aqueous KOH prefers substitution. So if you are taking the same whole set of thing for aqueous KOH, then aqueous KOH will substitute simply, the OH minus will substitute, attack here, and it will remove. Basically you are going to get SN2 substitution, you will get an alcohol. And similarly, if more OH minus is there, that will remove even this one also. So that means if you have to form a pi bond, then obviously you have to avoid substitution, rather you have to prefer elimination. So what you have to take, the first thing that you can take here is alcoholic KOH. Of course, to make it better, heating is also preferred. So if you are having alcoholic KOH, then this will attack simultaneously, and simultaneously Br will be removed through the transition state. So it will follow E2 mechanism, and you are going to get alkene. You are going to get alkene. Now the biggest problem with this molecule now, if you know this, the removal of this hydrogen will be even more difficult, because the hydrogen of sp3 means here, if you are going to remove it, it is much easier as compared to removal from here, because of many reasons. See, the hybridization is sp3 and here hybridization is sp2. So percentage S character is increased, and because of that electronegativity increases, and electronegativity, because of increase of electronegativity, the bond energy of carbon and hydrogen increases. So if the bond energy increases, technically it is going to affect the process of elimination. So then what we have to do? So now the second elimination step will not be easier when you are using normal alcoholic group. So then what we have to do? You take some powerful base. Some powerful base only can do it. So which is more powerful than KOH then? So there are many, like NaNH2 is one of them, because NH2 minus is more powerful base as compared to OH minus. I hope you know this. Otherwise you can compare the acidic strength and accordingly you can go, like H2O is more acidic, so basic order will be reverse of this. So NH2 minus is more basic. So the second base you have to take is NaNH2, and this, just like the previous E2, we are going, it will attack on the hydrogen, and simultaneously it will form, this bond will be weakened, so we will get HC triple bond CH. So the correct answer in this particular question will be alcoholic KOH followed by NaNH2. So this will not be sufficient for alkyne conversion. Till alkene it is okay. And aqueous, you already know, as I told you, aqueous will convert this Br into OH. And zinc and methanol is a reducing agent. It will remove the Br and it will simply make it alkane there. So the correct answer here is alcoholic KOH. So that's all, guys. One more point I would like to add here, because sometimes it is very important to understand. Suppose this alkyne is formed, and in some other question, if someone is asking that how many mole of NaNH2 can further be consumed by this. See, when you talk about basic strength, so guys, NH2 minus is more basic than C triple bond C minus. So which means that here NH2 minus can take out this proton, and what we are going to get. So if you are having 2H plus ion present in this, then you will be getting C triple bond C minus and C minus along with 2 mole of ammonia, and of course 2 mole of Na plus that we are going to get. So if such type of question is asked, that final step, once the alkyne is formed, how many extra mole of NaNH2 can be consumed, so your answer should be 2 extra mole of NaNH2, right? So that's all for now. See you guys in the next video in another exciting question of IIT JEE. Till then, take care.